Hello children, good morning. This is Uma. Today, let's move on to Science Chapter 5, Birds, Part 2. Learning Objective. To know about few types of birds. First, let us learn about crow. Crows are black colored birds that make ka sound. They eat insects, grains, seeds, nuts and worms. Here you can see the picture of crow. Second bird is parrot. The spelling of parrot Parrot. Usually parrots are green colored birds with a red colored beak. They make a kee sound. They eat chilies, fruits, seeds, nuts and even small insects. Third bird is duck. Spelling of duck Duck. Ducks are of different colors. They make quack sound. They eat water plants, small insects, fish and some worms. Fourth one is crane. Spelling of crane Crane. Cranes are white colored birds with long neck and legs. They eat small fish, worms, frogs and snails. They sometimes stand on one leg in water. Next is peacock. The spelling of peacock Peacock. Peacocks are brightly colored birds with beautiful feathers. They eat small snakes, insects, fruits, and seeds. Peacock is the national bird of India. Now let's move on to etc. The vulture is a bird that flies very high. And one more important thing, this vulture comes under the category scavenger because it is very fond of dead remains of animals. Next is questions. Here, 5 questions are given. Read all these questions carefully and write your answers in your science note. Guess who I am. Question number 1. I fly very high. Number 2. I eat chilies. Number 3. I am fond of pond. Then 4. I stand on one leg. And 5. I have beautiful feathers. See you in the next video, children. Thank you. Bye bye.